Doggy. Well, it's Wednesday. Last week sucked. Oh, just kind of lost motivation and didn't do crap. It was just a rough week. And I didn't want to post a video because I felt like it was a complete failure. But there was one tiny little ray of hope, glimpse of hope, something like that. I didn't eat pizza Friday night. We did not eat pizza, so that's good. I had a pretty good Father's Day. We just kind of stayed home. We've been putting the finishing touches on Crystal's massage clinic. So Father's Day dinner was great. We had like steak and homemade like a crab pasta salad. It was really good. So it's pretty early. I just wanted to say hi to you guys real quick. This is like my everyday morning thing. I don't know if it's just like North Dakota or what, but I always have like some minor congestion in the morning. I'm sharing that with you. It's good. So I'm getting ready to head to Bismarck. I have another pain management appointment this morning. Possibly another injection. Yeah, we'll see. I've got to rush over there, got to rush back. I've got a meeting this afternoon at work for a couple hours. And then tonight I'm going to get some sleep because I'm exhausted. I'm very frustrated right now with myself and weight loss. I'm trying to figure out what it is in here that I've got to change to get this stuff working again. It's very frustrating to start your day out almost every day just pumped that yes, today's the day, it's gonna happen. By 4 o'clock, almost guaranteed something, I don't know what it is, something triggers me to just not care, and I break down and do something stupid like go eat a burrito from Qdoba and Doritos or something and a Coke. I have reduced the amount of soda that I've been drinking this last week, but I still am not where I want to be with that, which is not drinking soda. So it is so hard to explain the mental aspect of this. I mean, there's a lot of things in life I love more than food. I do like food, but it's like sometimes you just don't care, and food is easy. Food is convenient. It just really sucks that when I want a cheeseburger, I can literally 5 minutes have one and I didn't have to cook it. So maybe I literally need to go back in time and live in like the 1800s. Be a little more difficult then, I think. Probably lose a bit of weight. Oh, excuse me, sorry. All right, so yeah, I just wanted to say sorry for not posting my video last week. It's just one of those things. All right, guys, I'm going to head to the doctor. I'm going to do a video this weekend, and I'll let you guys know how everything went. So, also, if I try to update my stuff on Instagram or Twitter if there's anything major going on, so feel free to check those out if you feel like it. I have no clue what I'm talking about. Alright guys, that's it for today. If you like my stuff, do the thing. If you like watching guys clear their throats and cough a lot, feel free to subscribe. So alright, that's it. Like always, guys, if you need help, you just gotta ask. You might want to ask someone that's actually doing a good job on their weight loss, though.